Hey guys, in this video, we will discuss the different steps involved in linking AdSense with your Google Analytics account and why you should do it. AdSense and Google Analytics on their own offer an abundance of data through their reporting systems. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can uncover a trove of new insights and data that can help you maximize your website's ad revenue. You can achieve this by linking your AdSense account with Google Analytics. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to accomplish. Before you can initiate this process, both your AdSense and Google Analytics accounts must be active and working. Both accounts must also be using the same email address and should have edit or admin permissions. So let's go right ahead with the steps involved in linking AdSense with Google Analytics. The first step is to go to Google Analytics and sign in to your account. Once signed in, navigate to the drop-down menu next to the Google Analytics logo at the upper left-hand corner and select the property that you want to integrate AdSense with. Next, click on Admin at the bottom left section of the page. In the Property column, click on AdSense Linking under the Product Linking section. Go ahead and click on the new AdSense Link button. Under Select an AdSense property, select from the drop-down the AdSense account that you wish to link. You will also need to select the corresponding AdSense product, such as AdSense for Content or AdSense for Search, then click Continue. Next, select the Analytics view from the drop-down. This will determine where the data will show once linking is completed. For instance, if you select all website data, the AdSense data will be displayed when this view is selected from the menu at the top. Then click on Enable Link. After you have enabled Analytics and AdSense linking, it will take up to 24 hours for it to generate data. Once data starts coming in, you can get valuable AdSense reporting in conjunction with analytics data for your website. Once completely enabled, you can now check AdSense data in Google Analytics. In the left-hand menu, you can access AdSense reports by going to Behavior and selecting Publisher. Here you will see three subcategories: Publisher Refers, Publisher Pages, and Overview. You can access AdSense Overview to see a summary of several AdSense metrics. Next is AdSense Publisher Pages. Through the Analytics integration, this report can now show you which pages from your website performed best and made significant contributions to your website's revenue. Next is AdSense Publisher Refers. This report provides data on which referrers or domains contributed most to your site's revenue. On top of all that, the AdSense and Analytics integration will now allow you to create custom reports in Analytics for insights on your AdSense performance. Overall, the data you now have access to will help you get a better understanding of where your earnings are coming from so you can optimize your strategies, content, and overall performance. If you are already using both platforms, there should be nothing stopping you from taking advantage of the benefits that you can get from linking AdSense and Analytics today.
That's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to subscribe to our blog to learn to monetize more. Hope to see you here again soon. Bye for now.